Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a neat feature on WhatsApp that allows you to send a one-time view record. This is a great way to share sensitive information or personal moments that you want to keep private. So, if you're ready to learn how to use this feature, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you have the app launched, locate the chat where you want to send your one-time view record. It could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Just tap on that chat to open it up. Now that you're in the right chat, look for the record icon situated at the bottom right of your screen. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just tapping on it, you need to tap and hold that record icon. This action will reveal some hidden options for you. As you continue to hold the record icon, gently swipe upward. This motion will showcase the one-time view option. It's a small but vital step if you want your record to be viewable just once by the recipient. Once you see the one-time view option, you'll notice an encircled one icon at the bottom right of your screen. Go ahead and tap that icon. This indicates that the record you're about to send is for one-time viewing only. It's a simple but effective way to ensure your content remains private. The last step is straightforward. After you've tapped the encircled one icon, you'll see the send arrow icon. Go ahead and hit that arrow to send your one-time view record. Just like that, your message is on its way, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a one-time view record on WhatsApp. This feature not only adds an extra layer of privacy, but also makes sharing information a lot more secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.